What is Social Security? You've heard the term thrown around. I'm not sure how social it is, and mainstream media likes to run the running out of money story about Social Security at least twice a year. There are a lot of myths and mysteries surrounding Social Security. Most folks don't pay much attention to it until they're within striking distance of collecting, usually in their 50s or early 60s. I'll give you the big picture today so you'll at least have a working knowledge of what to expect. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the details. So let's jump into the top 3 things you need to know about Social Security, and I'll keep it as simple as ordering a black coffee at Waffle House on Christmas Day. First up, it's all about timing, like knowing exactly when to flip over a pancake. You can start taking Social Security benefits at age 62, but it's like biting into an over-medium egg while it's still over-easy. You can do it, but there's a catch. The earlier you take it, the smaller your monthly check will be. If you wait until your full retirement age, which is like waiting for that golden brown crust on your hash browns, you'll get the full benefit. Your full retirement age ranges from 65 to 67, depending on your birthday. If you were born in 1960 or later, well, that's 67. And if you have the patience of a Waffle House waitress and wait until you're 70, your checks will be even bigger. Like that 2 strips of bacon and sausage on the side, you'll get a little more on your plate for the rest of your life. Your Social Security benefits are based on your top 35 years of earnings. Think of it like your greatest hits album. Only the best years make the cut. If you haven't worked for 35 years, it's like having a few blank tracks on a CD, and they'll put in some zeros to make up the numbers. So the more you earn and the longer you work, the better your benefits will be. And here's the third key. Social Security isn't just for retirement. It's a bit like an all-star special. Breakfast all day, every day. If you become disabled, or if you lose a loved one who is the main breadwinner, Social Security can potentially kick in. So there you have it. 3 things to know about Social Security. Remember, it's all about timing, your top earning years, and it can be more than just a retirement benefit.